Where's my beans? Remember, it's not started yet, so it's alright.
There you go, buddy.
Okay.
You do a clap.
Yeah, I'm just getting.
A hefty sum.
Yeah, I think that's it for today, to be honest.
Yeah.
I can't be fucked staying out here any longer.
Yeah. What a strange feller.
Okay, those are the lines, right?
Yeah, alright.
Takes 2.
A hefty sum.
I've not looked at him. I need to watch him leave.
Oh, look, watch him leave as he fucking juggle.
Okay, fine.
A hefty sum there.
Yeah.
Because I'm happy. I'm happy because we got fucking money.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Not that
For your joy.
like
Don't say a hefty sum then.
a hefty
say-
sum.
A jolly good sum.
A jolly good sum there, old chap.
Yeah, okay, alright.
A jolly good sum there, old chap.
Yeah, I think we're done for today, to be honest.
Yeah.
That's enough dosh to spend the weekend
Yeah.
in Hawaii.
Where
Why did you do that?
we could have used that if you didn't like stop. Yeah, that would be funny. We could like zoom in on your face as you do it.
Yeah, I got
And then I could look
We can
worried.
still use that. When did it cut off? It was like.
Straight after you laugh. Yeah, and it'd be like a cut. We can go, what a strange fella he was.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay, I went. Well, I started smiling and laughing when I said, that's enough to spend the weekend in Hawaii.
Why did you
That's how I went. Okay. Fuck me, this is really hot. Right.
So is that the end? Or are you just taking a jumper off?
I'm just singing jumper.
Oh, oh, oh.
My hair's gonna be a mess for probably the remainder of the night, right? That's cool. I'll put that in.
Yeah.
that's a gag reel.
We can intersperse that with you talking to the goblin. Just be
Yeah,
good.
to the corners of people walking past.
Yeah, going down. Pass, go like, ah.
Why is the window not open?
Because it was too cold.
Okay, well it's not now. You didn't tell me that was a fucking spike at the front of my face. Alright, where's my bin then? Team lid. Okay. Where are we going from?
Hawaii.
I'm the laugh.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Indeed, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you later. Another successful day.
Yeah.
What are you fucking doing, man?
Get over here. It doesn't hurt, did it?
No, I'm just confused.
I'm confused when you fell off.
beans at me.
That'll be like I was trying to do like an elaborate handshake, but we just did a handshake. Sorry, don't be.
Yeah, I didn't know what you were doing.
Okay, get back on. Come on. Get back on your horse.
Get back on the high horse. Get off your high horse, old chum.
Fuck.
Are we recording that whole thing from
Scratch.
from Hawaii?